our role model Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Islam and a perfect role model for all of humanity. He was born in Makkah in 570 AD and belonged to the noble tribe of Quraysh. From a young age, he was known for his truthfulness and honesty, earning the title Al-Amin, the trustworthy. His character was very pure and noble that even his enemies admired his integrity. He received the first revelation from Allah at the age of 40 through angel Jibreel. Despite facing great hardships and opposition, he always remained patient and kind. The Prophet ﷺ treated everyone with respect, regardless of their religion or status. He taught the values of justice, compassion, mercy, and humility. His life is a practical example of how to live according to the teaching of the Quran. As a leader, he was just and wise, always caring for the poor and the weak. He forgave his worst enemies, showing the highest level of tolerance and forgiveness. Muslims around the world follow his sunnah, which is the key to success in this and after this life.